YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And happy fall to you all. See what I just did there? In this video, I am reviewing the IETS GT300 double blower laptop cooling pad. This cooler is for 14 to 17.3 inch size laptops and has some very interesting features. This cooler is specific for certain laptops and should be thoroughly checked out because of its design. Make certain your laptop has the specifics I mentioned in this video, or you may be wasting your money on a product that will not be as effective at cooling your laptop. First, make certain your laptop has cooling or ventilation holes on the bottom. If it does not have any of these, then I recommend not purchasing this cooler. This product brings in cool air from the rear and blows it inside the chamber, where the laptop's intake pulls that air in from the bottom. If all of the heat of your laptop blows out from the bottom, it is possible that the hot air will be sent back into the computer, which would heat up the components inside and possibly damage them, and that may not be covered under the warranty of your laptop, if it has a warranty in effect. Second, although this cooler can be placed on your lap, it is a large product. It has a weight of 2.6 pounds, but when you add the weight of the laptop, that might make this even more heavier and therefore best on a desk or a table. With that being said, here are the features. This cooler has a sealing rubber ring and a double blower motor which enhances cooling. The ring can be adjusted to accommodate larger or smaller laptops. There's even an extra ring that is included. The blowers have a 3-speed setting ranging from low speed energy saving mode to high speed for gaming or other graphically intense applications. It has 2 air filters that prevent dust from building up inside the laptop, which happens with other coolers. The air filters can be removed for cleaning. There are 7 colors of light and 4 lighting modes which can be turned off, as well as the entire cooler. Ergonomically designed, the height of the stand can be adjusted by 7 levels to fit your desired posture. These 2 buckles in the front help secure the laptop and keep it from moving freely. They can be adjusted to the different size and thickness of the laptop by pulling them up and pushing them down into the desired slot. The buckles have rubber underneath them to protect the laptop from any scrapes or scratches during the adjustments. Dual USB ports are in the rear, one for powering the cooler and the other for anything extra you want to use it for. I am pleased with the way this product is designed and the many features it possesses. They are what I wanted in a cooler, and although it is larger than other coolers, it is much more accommodating. The fans aren't very loud when in standard mode, which is when you first turn the cooler on. Once you start choosing higher speeds, the fans ramp up. But that's maybe for if you have your laptop overclocked, video editing, or playing a game for an extended amount of time. The cooler feels very well made and not cheap with materials. There's weight and sturdiness to it, and I feel confident that my laptop isn't going to slide off. Now, because of all these extra features, this is a pricier cooler. On Amazon, it sells about $62.99, but premium products come with premium prices. I'm hoping I get a lot of miles from this cooler, and if I do, then that will be money well spent. Be careful though. There are some knockoffs of this same cooler on Amazon, but if you look for the name IETS GT300 double blower laptop cooling pad, you will be on the correct product page. I'll leave a link in the video description to where this is if you are interested. I hope this helps you out in deciding if this laptop cooler is for your laptop. Thank you for tuning into this video. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.